welcome to day 285 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this butterfly lace stitch. So this is a very simple stitch, and once you understand the repeat rows, you can crochet this to any length that you want. Okay. The foundation row for this particular stitch is slightly different, where you start off by making 3 chains and then making 1 double crochet into the first chain, which will create a tiny loop where we'll be working our butterfly stitches. So once you are done with the first loop, between 2 loops we need to crochet 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, again 3, so a total of 9 chains, and into the third chain from the hook you're making your double crochet, creating that second loop. Again chain 9, and into the third chain from the hook make 1 double crochet. You have to continue making this till the length that you want. Make sure you have an odd number of loops. For the sake of the video, I have 5 loops. Now for row number 2, you're going to start with 6 chains again, and make a triple crochet into the loop. So this chain 6 counts as 4 chains and a chain 2, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet and a chain 2. Now make 5 chains, and into the next loop we are going to make 3 single crochets. Okay, again chain 5, make 1 triple crochet, again chain 5, and three single crochets into the next one. Okay, again chain 5, one triple crochet, chain 2, and 1 triple crochet into the same loop. So that's our row number 1. Okay, if you have odd number of loops, your work will start and end with a triple crochet V-stitch. Now moving on to row number 2, you're going to start with a chain 3. So this is where the wings of these butterflies start. Okay, and just like any other shell stitch or lace stitch which involves a shell like pattern, we're going to do a half shell so that we can interlace these patches. Okay, so this is our block. We'll have half of the block on either side. So This one, it starts with half a shell, which is the chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet, and you're going to make 4 more double crochets into this chain 3 space. Okay. Now chain 5, and you're going to make 2 single crochets on top of these 3 single crochets right here. So 1 and 2. Okay. Now again chain 5, and this is where our butterfly stitch starts, where you will make 7 double crochet stitches. So into the next V stitch we are going to make 7 double crochet stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now again chain 5, make 2 single crochets, again chain 5, make 4 single crochets into the V stitch, 4 double crochets into the V stitch, and 1 double crochet on top of the fourth chain from this part right here. Okay, so that completes our row number 2. It starts with the double crochet, ends with the double crochet, and we have 2 half shells on either side. Okay, now again for row number 3, it starts with a chain 3 and a chain 2, which counts as 1 double crochet and a chain 2. Turn your work, and you're going to make 1 double crochet on top of each of these 4 double crochet stitches. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again chain 5, and make 1 double crochet between the 2 double crochets from the previous row. So you go between these 2 stitches and make 1 double crochet. Again chain 5, make 4 double crochet stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, make 2 chains in between, and into the same stitch you're going to make 1 more double crochet. Again into the next 3 stitches we'll be making 1 double crochet into each. Okay, so that is our increase part. From the next row we'll decrease it to give this butterfly shape. Again chain 5, make 1 single crochet into the between these 2 single crochets from the previous row. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, make 4 double crochets, chain 2, and make 1 double crochet on top of the chains right here. That ends our row number 4. Now for row number 5, you again chain 3, make 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space, and this is our decrease row. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a 4 together triple crochet on all all these 4 double crochets we have. So 4 together here, 4 together here, 4 together here. Okay, and we are going to kind of connect it alternatively. We are not going to connect, we are going to connect one patch to the adjacent one. Okay, so start with a chain 6. Okay, so while we are doing this, we'll also be recreating row number 1 here, so that the next row starts from row number 2. Okay, so you start off with a chain 6 and then yarn over twice, go into the very first double crochet here, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of 2, and you are going to continue till you have only 2 loops on your hook. Again yarn over twice, go into the next double crochet, again come back when you have one of it left. So basically it's like incomplete triple crochet. Start one more triple crochet, again start one more triple crochet. Okay, so once you have 4 and you'll have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull out of all 5, chain 1. Okay, you're going to skip this single crochet right here, again directly go into the next set of 4 double crochets, start your incomplete triple crochet set. Okay, so you have 4 stitches here. Okay, complete that set. Now you're again going to chain 6, make 3 double crochets into the V stitch, again chain 6, start your incomplete triple crochet set. Okay, again chain 1, skip the single crochet, start your incomplete triple crochet set. Okay, now into this chain 2 space you're going to make 3 double crochet stitches. Sorry, chain 6, and make 3 double crochet stitches into this chain space. Okay, Now in the next row we are going to start our row number 2. Okay, we have 3 stitches here, so these 3 stitches are going to have our 3 single crochet stitches, which is right here. So that's where we are going to start. So the first part of the stitch started with the V stitch, the second part starts with your single crochet. So chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet into each of these double crochets you made. Chain 5, and make 1 triple crochet, chain 2, and 1 triple crochet into this chain 1 space here between the 2 incomplete stitches. Again chain 5, make 3 single crochets on top of the 3 double crochet stitches. Again chain 5, make a V stitch, chain 5, make 1 single crochet on top of each of the double crochet stitches, which will be 3 single crochets. Again chain 1, turn your work, make 2 single crochet stitches on top of these 3 single crochet stitches from the previous row, chain 5, 7 double crochets, into the V stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again chain 5, make 2 single crochets on top of these 3 single crochets right here. Again chain 5, make 7 double crochet stitches, again make 5 chains, and make 2 single crochet stitches. Okay, so now you're going to repeat the second row of the double crochet stitches right here, where we create the V stitch in between the 7 double crochet stitches. I hope by now you would have understood the pattern. Just make one, chain 1, turn your work, make 1 single crochet, chain 5, make 1 double crochet on top of the first 4 double crochet stitches, and chain 3, make 1 more double crochet into the same stitch, again 1 double crochet into the rest of these stitches. Okay, again chain 5, make 1 single crochet between these 2 single crochets right here, again chain 5, make 1 double crochet, 3 double crochets, and a V stitch double crochet into the next one. that is into the fourth double crochet, we are creating a chain 3 and one more double crochet into the same stitch, and 3 double crochets into the consecutive 3 double crochet stitches. Again 5 chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and make one double crochet, one single crochet onto that last stitch right there, and that completes this row. Now the next row will be the decrease row, where you create together triple crochet stitches connecting consecutive 2 patches. So you start off with a chain 7, which counts as one triple crochet and a chain 1. Turn your work, make one, start your incomplete triple crochet set, where you create 4 incomplete triple crochet stitches. Okay, so we are going to create this triple crochet on this side. You can see on either side of these 2 stitches, chain 6, and make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, again chain 6, now you're going to connect these 2 swatches with incomplete triple crochet stitches. So start your first set of incomplete triple crochet, chain 1, and skip the single crochet, go into the next one and make a incomplete triple crochet set. Chain 6. The incomplete row is always chain 6. Make 3 double crochets into the V-stitch, chain 6, make your incomplete triple crochet set, chain 1, and make a triple crochet on top of the single crochet right here. Okay, so that completes this row, and from now here on it is just a repeat row where you start from row number 2. Okay, where we start from the V-stitch. So you chain 6 here, make a V-stitch on the first stitch, chain 5, make 3 single crochets, chain 5, V-stitch, chain 5, 3 single crochet, chain 5, and complete with a V-stitch, and you follow the same pattern. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts you can reach us out in the comment section, or you can DM us on our Instagram page. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.